Step to upload firmware DSP board. The first step is to select the CCS Unifax program. After that, place the file command. And then place the new target command. The next part, please select the connection option. Choose the version to upload.
Look at the model on the front of the box.
In the part of the board, device number load and the DSP chip. My device number is GMS320F2H335. After that, click on the Birch program on the bottom left and please enter command. Select the file named boot.out. After that, place the program command on the right to install. Wait until the program is finished installing. Next, we'll be uploading the actual firmware. Go to the DSP2 program and find the boot.hex file. Check the port to see if it matches. Plug in the RS2T2 connector. To check if the port matches or not, check the device manager. After that, hit the blue button to upload the file. After the download is complete, the file upload to DSP is complete. Thank you.